Hi friends, good morning. Next question from our Dhruva Edutainment and Video classes. What is that, friends? Write the differences between open and closed systems of circulation. Open circulatory system and closed circulatory system. Friends, here only in the question only there is answer, friends. Open. Blood vessels open into empty spaces. Closed. Always the blood flows in the closed manner, means the blood won't comes out from the blood vessels. Okay friends, now come to our answer. In the open circulatory system, in the open circulation, blood flows through vessels into sinuses. Blood flows through vessels into sinuses. See friends, what are sinuses? Sinuses are the empty places of the body. Sinuses are also called as lacunae. You know friends, you know the circulatory system of cockroach. Cockroach has number of lacunae or sinuses in which blood flows. So, in open circulation, blood flows through vessels into sinuses. You see friends, here I have given clue. From heart, blood enters into the vessels. Vessels to sinuses, once again heart. Heart to vessels, vessels to sinuses, sinuses to heart. Come to closed, friends. In closed circulation, blood always flows in the blood vessels only. It won't come out from the blood vessels. Friends, see, heart, arteries, capillaries, veins and heart. See, arteries, capillaries and veins. These all are what, friends? These all are blood vessels, you know it. Means in closed circulation, blood is not coming out from the blood vessels. Whereas in open circulation, blood is coming out from the vessels, that is blood vessels, into what, friends? Into sinuses. Next, friends. Next difference. In open circulation, capillaries are absent, blood capillaries are absent. In closed circulation, blood capillaries are present. You know, friends, arteries, arterioles and capillaries. Capillaries, venules, veins. See, capillaries are the small blood vessels which join arteries and veins. You know it, friends. These blood capillaries are absent in open circulation. Blood capillaries are present in closed circulation. Next, friends. In open circulation, blood flow is very slow because it is flowing in the sinuses, in the empty spaces. Okay, friends? So, because of that, the blood flow is very slow in the open circulation. Whereas in closed circulation, blood flow is very rapid, very speedy. Because it always flows in the blood vessels only. So, the blood flow is very rapid. Next important, friends, you have to write some examples. See friends, leeches. Friends, leeches belong to phylum Annelida. All annelids have closed circulatory system except leeches, friends. This is very, very important for NEET and EAMCET. Leeches belong to phylum Annelida. All annelids have closed circulatory system, but leeches have open circulatory system. Next, friends, all arthropods. Next, mollusks. Friends, here see mollusks. In mollusks, see friends, cephalopods are also mollusks. They have closed. Remaining all mollusks have open circulatory system. Next, echinodermids. All echinodermids, all ascidians, all arthropods. See friends, leeches, arthropods, mollusks except cephalopods, echinodermids and ascidians. What are ascidians, friends? Ascidians are urochordates. You know, friends, ascidians are urochordates. Okay, next come to closed circulation, friends. Annelids, friends, here see, annelids except leeches. Leeches have open, remaining all annelids have closed circulation. Next, cephalopods. What are cephalopods, friends? Cephalopods are mollusks. Remaining all mollusks have open circulatory system, but cephalopods have closed circulatory system. Please, you have to concentrate on these words. Next, cephalochordates and all vertebrates. Once again, friends, come to examples. Leeches of annelids, arthropods, mollusks, echinodermids and ascidians. Ascidians means urochordates. You have to remember it. Next, annelids. Here you have to remember except leeches or Hirudinea. Next, cephalopods. These are mollusks. Remaining all mollusks have open circulatory system, but cephalopods have closed circulatory system. Next, cephalochordates. Friends, cephalochordates. Next, vertebrates. Okay, friends. Now you see here there is an image, friends. See friends, here in open circulatory system, blood from blood vessels open into sinuses, friends. See, this is empty space. Here it is opening into sinuses. But here you see, friends, blood is not coming out from the blood vessels. It is always flowing in the blood vessels only. See friends, here. This is closed circulatory system. This is open circulatory system. Once again, friends, you see the definition. In open circulation, blood flows through vessels into sinuses. In closed circulatory system, blood always flows in the blood vessels only. Capillaries are absent in the open circulatory system. Capillaries are present in the closed circulatory system. Blood flow is very slow in the open circulatory system. Blood flow is very rapid in the closed circulatory system. Okay, friends, this is about open and closed circulatory system. Thank you, friends. Good day.